Hi guys, how you doing? You want to know how I prepare this delicious chicken stew? Wow, come on, let me show you how I made it. So let's move on to my video and see how I prepared this delicious chicken stew. Wow, let's go. You're welcome once again to my kitchen. This is Julie's kitchen. How you guys doing? Hope you are staying safe. Hope you are doing well. My old subscribers, I welcome you once again. My new subscribers, you are also welcome. And if you are watching me for the first time, please don't skip my video. Subscribe to my channel and make sure you press the notification bell to get notice of any new video I upload. Always drop a comment. Anything you want me to cook, drop it at the comment section and I will do that. Thanks for joining me today. You are welcome. So in today's cooking series, I will be making the chicken stew. Wow, I want to show you how I make my chicken stew. And as you can see on my table, I have my tomato puree, I have my paprika pepper, my garlic, ginger, onion and habanero pepper. I have my curry and my thyme. I have my blended oil and the chicken. This is the ground soya I'm going to use in frying I'm making the stew. I also have the tin tomato paste and halio and onion. This what do they call it? It's just like thyme, but the onion leaves. So these are what I'm going to use in preparing my stew for today. So let's get started. Okay, now I'm going to parboil my tomato and the chicken. So right now I'll be adding the seasoning into my chicken. And be adding some thyme to it. Also with the garlic, I'm using this blend garlic. The other fresh one I'm going to grind it in my tomato. So I'm adding this blend one. Adding this grinded garlic to my chicken and curry. So then we add some onion. Let's slice some onion. Okay. And some salt also. Add little salt to it, so I like to get cooked. Then I'll still. So this is my chicken. It's just a quick video. Okay. So my tomato. This is my tomatoes. So I'm not having it the gas. So I'm parboiling the tomato and I want to blend my onion, pepper paprika pepper, then I will add it into the tomato. So see you later guys when my tomatoes get cooked. Bye. Okay, this is my, I want to control my chicken. The chicken has been boiling for some time, so now I want to bring it out. Then I think it's okay now. I want to bring it out, then I will steam it. I'm not going to fry it. I want to steam them. I'm going to be steaming the chicken. So these are the chicken. Right now I want to put it in my oven to steam. I'm not going to fry them, so I want to dry it in my oven. So I've already put the chicken in my oven and I want to allow it to steam to dry. I'm not frying it. It's better you use your oven to dry your chicken instead of frying. So that's what I want to do now. Then I'll leave it there. And I want to control my tomato. I'm going to be having the tin tomato inside the boiled tomatoes already. So I'm putting some tin tomatoes inside the pot. Okay. I'm going to cook for another 5 minutes. I've already added my ground paprika, pepper, onion, ginger, garlic, everything inside, and the tomatoes, everything I've steamed. So I just want my fresh tomato. I want my chicken to steam. Then later I'll add everything inside my stew like that. Okay, right now I have about 3 seconds for my chicken to get okay. You see, I just dry it in the oven, so in my microwave. So you see how it is. It's as if I fried it. There's no need of frying it because of fat. So now I want to add it to my stew like that. And I've already added the oil I'm going to use to fry my stew. But meanwhile, let me put my chicken inside the steamed tomatoes already. My stew is almost, wow, it's hot. It's very, very hot. Okay. So this is my chicken stew. I'm going to allow my oil to parboil. To heat a bit. Then let me see. Oh my God, the tomatoes is already cooked. So right now we are in the final stage of the preparation of my cooked chicken stew. This is the oil I'm going to add. So this is my stew. I'm going to stir it. Then I'll just add it to the parboil. Then I'll be adding it inside. So I'm done with my cooking. Let me allow it to fry a bit. My tin tomatoes is already in my stew. I added it with the boiled tomato and the pepper, everything. So I just want to fry the onions and the oil and add it to this another method you can as well use when making your stew. So right now I'm going to add it inside and allow it to cook for 2-3 minutes. Then I'm done for today. Wow, this is my chicken stew. Wow. This is my chicken peri-peri stew. So guys, this is my chicken stew. I'm done with the cooking for today. Well, you can see how beautiful, and that is how it's still going to be yummy. Wow. So I thank you for joining me. See you next time in my next video. I love you all. Bye. God bless you.